Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I would like to conduct a review and demo of my Celebrity Yolanda yak hair mannequin. There are a number of things I'd like to discuss on this product. If you're interested, just please keep on watching. A yak is a large domesticated wild ox. It has shaggy hair, humped shoulders, and large horns. It's used in Tibet as a pack animal for its milk, meat, and hide. When purchasing your mannequin online, be sure and read the descriptions to make sure that you're getting what you're paying for. 100% real hair isn't 100% human hair or 100% yak hair. I purchased this mannequin from the Hair Art website. On the Hair Art website, there are two mannequins with this particular hair texture. One mannequin head, its name is Yolanda, is 100% yak hair, and the other is Milena, which is a combination between human hair, yak hair, and synthetic hair. I ultimately decided to purchase the Yolanda mannequin because the Marla mannequin has synthetic fiber in it. I decided to purchase the Yolanda instead, and I was going to test whether I can use heat and or color on the hair, the yak hair. Upon inspection of the hair, I discovered a lice, which in my experience isn't unusual, but it was dead, so I just threw it away. Also, mine had a manufacturer's default, which it really was just cosmetic, so I wasn't worried about it. I measured the hair, and all over it measured approximately between 6 to 8 inches throughout. I included a picture of the hair wet so you can see how the texture looks. Yolanda's hair sheds quite a bit. I'm going to show you an example of what's in my comb, but that's not all the hair because that's hair in my drain. decided to blow dry her hair and it was giving off a smoke. So what I did was I just lowered the temperature and it wasn't as bad as it was before. I also gave her a haircut, as you can see here. I also curled her hair with my flat iron. The curls didn't last very long before they dropped and kind of like straightened out. I did a roller set and the curls lasted a lot longer and they didn't drop as quickly. I'm also noticing a blue-gray tint to the hair. I included a roller wrap to see if I can get it to lay a little bit more flatter to the head. Here's an example of how much shedding just from combing the hair. Also included some strand tests for your review. On one side, on your left, would be a volume 10. On the right would be a volume 20. She lightens very nicely. I did a roller set, a roller wrap, a blow dry, I curled the hair with a flat iron, and I did a lightening bleach strand test, all on a $22 mannequin head. To sum things up, I'm very happy with my purchase, and if you are interested in making a purchase, I'll leave the contact information down below. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.